along with Guy and me as we sail into the Norfolk salt marshes, a quiet open landscape where shallow creeks, soft mud, and wild coastal plants rise and fall with the tide. We've embarked on a 4-hour sailing tour, learning the basics of traditional sailboats and discovering more about the nature that surrounds us. During the sail, there was a chance to jump into the frigid cold waters, and as you might guess, Guy may or may have not taken the plunge. Join us for a slow adventure through the Norfolk salt marshes with the Coastal Exploration Company.
Around the table, my family's all here.
It all begins here in Wells, next the sea, where the Coastal Exploration Company's traditional sailboats are moored right next to the dock. We were met with a warm hello from Nick, our skipper, friendly, relaxed, and ready to get us on board. Life jackets on, a quick run-through, and we were ready to set off. With Nick guiding us and a bit of help from Guy, we got moving.
Up and then all the way.
These boats are traditional in style, but practical too. Engine when needed, and the sail when the wind allows. From there, we sailed into the salt marshes. Calm, shallow waters winding through creeks and channels, surrounded by open sky and the quiet rustle of coastal plants. Out here, the pace slows right down. The salt marsh stretches in every direction, wide, quiet, and full of small details. We sailed for a while, taking it all in and learning about the wildlife around us as we went, from the birds overhead to the life hidden just below the surface. Along the way, everyone had the chance to steer the boat and help raise the sail. This tour isn't just something you watch, you get to be part of it.
That's it, there we go. Keep that pressure, loop it around the bottom. That's it, and then do that figure of 8. You can let go with your left hand now, focus on doing the knot.
Before breakfast, the crew had the chance to jump into the cold water for anyone brave enough to give it a go. Let's take a look.
I don't know if I should try and dip myself in.
I think Guy's gonna do it. Oh! Breathe, you're fine. You did it! Yay! A couple of hours in, we anchored and stopped for a full English breakfast, but not the kind you'd expect. Nick cooked it all right there on board. Thick cut bacon, fried eggs, juicy tomatoes, sautéed mushrooms, and some fresh local bread. There was also hot tea, coffee, and apple juice, a proper breakfast served in the most unexpected setting.
On deaf ears at quiet times and long, while we rehearse them in the
There's something about this place, open, quiet, and shaped by the tide and time. Our few hours on the water felt like much more. With Nick's knowledge, the stillness of the salt marsh, and the chance to be hands-on, we didn't just see the coast, we understood it a little better. We shared stories, learned a few skills, and came back with more than just memories. If you find yourself in Wells, next the sea, consider booking one of Coastal Exploration Company's tours. Whether it's for the scenery, the sailing, or simply the chance to slow down, we'll leave the link to their website down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in next week's vlog.